So I have been seeing this gel just randomly pop up places. It's a new product by the Doux. If you're new here, there's nothing new. I'm just trying to find different natural hair products so I have a variety, but I know things that work for my hair so I'm not wasting my money. Anyway, today I am trying out, any guesses, the Bananas by the Doux gel. I've been seeing things about this online and I just wanna, oh, it does smell like bananas, I heard that. I do want to try it. So, the Doux Bananas Extreme Gel, Super Shine and Holding Gel, sulfate and paraben free. Like always, I tell you guys that you should read the instructions before you use any type of product so you're making sure that you're using it correctly. And I know the instructions because I've already like watched people's videos and stuff on this, but it literally says that you need to do your hair on like soaking wet hair or like really, really wet hair, you know what I mean? And for me, if you're new here, if you're not new here, you know, I don't usually do my hair when my hair is wet. It's damp. I probably would have fucked it up. What it do? Extreme Hold Gel for sleek, spiked, or slicked styles. I'm gonna use it to do a wash and go. It says what's good, question mark, banana leaf oil, bamboo oil, and agave. Do you? These are the instructions. I'm not making all these weird words up. I swear they're right here.
Apply generously to soaking wet hair, distributing evenly from roots to ends. Shingle or finger coil curls for maximum definition. For best results, diffuse or sit under a hooded dryer, allowing hair to dry completely before fluffing or separating curls. To restyle, apply water to activate the product style as desired.
We're gonna hop right into it. I got my little 4 braidies. Beforehand, I just washed my hair so my hair is clean. I'm making sure I'm starting on a completely fresh base. The products that I use in the shower are the Camille Rose Ginger Root Cleanse and then the Shea Moisture Manuka and Honey Hair Mask. I really like that this has one of these. The other gel that I use, the Big Papa gel, it just has like a scoop, and there's nothing wrong with the scoop, but it do be getting like under your nails and ish. Guys, let me explain to you how hard it is to find this product. Had to go to 3 stores, still ended up not being able to find the thing at all. I literally had to ask my dad if he could stop at a Walmart on the way home because I had to look up who said that they had it in their inventory and all this type of stuff. It's sold out online right now, but I have real high expectations for this. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna have to go stock up, but I'm gonna separate my hair and everything like normal. I do have a spray bottle to spray the sections as we're going since it says that my hair needs to be wet or whatever. Guys, so I know I told y'all that I want to let my hair grow back out to just being all black because my hair hasn't been all black in like a fat minute, and this is about the point where it was at last time when I dyed it. I'm really getting the urge to dye my hair red again. Ooh. People are saying that the gel is really like liquidy and watery. I don't really feel like that, to be honest. I really do like the smell of it. This is gonna be a gel only wash and go also, so I can see like the fullness of the product. This is how it's defining my ends and stuff so far. Looks pretty decent. Anyway though, I'm kind of thinking about it, you know? I'm really going against it because I think I could just dye my hair, or I could let my hair grow out and I could always dye it at the end of that. There's not a biggie, and it also probably helps so my ends aren't super light because they're already light. I will say, if y'all haven't ever watched one of my like hair dyeing from black to ginger videos, the L'Oreal High Color, amazing. Didn't do any like damage to my hair or anything like that, so would totally recommend. Guys, that went by actually so quick. This is what it's looking like. I'm a big Doux fan, right? The only products that I've used from the Doux that I don't necessarily like though are when I use like that bee curl mousse. It's really great when you put it on, and I feel like it's kind of misleading because it makes your hair so dry. I don't really like that. I don't mind the crunch in the hair, but I do feel like it legitimately makes my hair dry. I really wanted to try this because I don't know if they just came out with this or I'm just now seeing it, but everyone says that it's really good, and they say that it gives your hair like the same amount of hold or more than the Big Papa gel. And this one also, I believe, is created with like an anti-humidity or humidity fighting or resisting formula. That's great. Yeah, that's what sparked my interest in trying this. The gel is priced at $16.97, I believe. I can't remember if I saw it for cheaper anywhere else. I think it's about the same price because I think it's also that price like on the Doux website. This bottle low-key hard to squeeze. Application so far, it's going on super easy. Detangling my hair in the shower. Guys, also if you haven't used that Manuka deep conditioner, it makes detangling so easy. Here's some pieces. Guys, like my hair's getting kind of curly long. I love shrinkage because that means your hair is healthy, but I want my hair to kind of sit at the length that it's at with the curl sometimes. I don't care a lot about my hair stretch or nothing like that. I've kind of learned that as long as my hair like is defined and the curls look good and they feel good, I'm not necessarily too worried about hair length. The scent is definitely there. For me personally, it doesn't bother me. It does smell like an artificial banana. Sometimes artificial scents can be very annoying, and I don't know how this will last like the longer my hair goes on. Product can smell very one way when you put it on, but you know, as you go throughout your week and stuff, your hair starts to build up like sweat and all. Well, at least mine does. I go to the gym like 3 times a week, so my hair will definitely be sweaty. Like when I use the Doux products, my hair doesn't get sweat out or anything, but you can smell a difference in the way your hair started off versus the way it ended that week, which is always why it's so important to clarify your hair. And if you're not doing it weekly, at least bi-weekly, because product buildup is a real thing. Last piece in this section. Guys, this went by kind of quick. That's also why I always preach. Your shower steps, super important. Always make sure that for like least puffy roots as possible, you're smoothing out that root when you start as well. That's something that has helped me tremendously, because I used to get such puffy roots. I'd be like, dude, the rest of my hair looks like it's on day 2, and my scalp looked like she never even got washed. This is this section. Right. For the longest time in my natural hair journey, I've been using what feels like the same products forever, and it was because I'm a very like, if it works, I'm gonna stick to it. I never really wanted to venture out. And then back in the day, I used to use a curling gel souffle from Shea Moisture, and that was my first wake-up call that companies change products. They changed the formula on that product and it never was the same. And so then I was forced to go and find something different because what I was using legit was not working. That kind of sparked my spark in finding good natural hair products. It's been really fun. I've really learned that some products are super expensive, some products are not. It just kind of depends on what you're looking for in a product. If it works and you're ready to spend your money on it, I say do it. I say all that to say, you don't have to go and like blow the bank on a product. Also, not all products that are super expensive are the best. I think some people want to make them seem that way so they don't feel as bad for like spending $30 on a shampoo, spending $40 on a leave-in. Also guys, I've never tried out Pattern Beauty line, and the girls are always talking about it. And that's one of those things that like is so expensive for a hair product just because I know how much product I use. I'm scared, but I might have to just do it because I've never heard nothing like bad about it, you know, but I'm always afraid like the one time I say that and I do it, it's not gonna work for me. This gel she's doing kind of, so I wouldn't say that this gel is watery like some people were saying, but I would say that it is a looser feeling gel. How long does it take you guys to do your hair? Drop it in the comments. I'm actually really curious. I'm learning how to shingle with my non-dominant hand because usually it's easier for me to shingle it with my dominant hand, but when I do that, the curl direction, it's not like sitting flat up against my head because I'm curling like in the opposite way. Y'all, I'm actually so excited for this gel. I know I keep saying that and it sounded really, really sarcastic, but like legit, I'm kind of excited. I'm also being so risky because I have an event on Friday and I'm trying out this new product, so if this doesn't work. I just finished the back. This is what it looked like. I'm gonna do the other two sections and I'll come back to you guys to show you the finished full top result or whatever, and then I'll diffuse and we'll show you what it looks like diffused. Okay, so I just finished putting in all of the gel. This is what the hair looks like. Right. I hope y'all can see. These are the curls. Get into it. So now I'm going to diffuse. It's the like second to highest heat, and then always make sure that when you're diffusing, you diffuse like all your roots and stuff first and then the end. Super dry ends and think it's dry, and then the top is still gonna be really, really wet. Okay. My hair is legitly like 90% dry at this point, but the roots probably in here are not. So this is what it looks like after being diffused. The shine is amazing. Like, do y'all see that? Definition eats down. I do still feel like some wet spots like in the middle. So I'm gonna sleep on it, let it dry all the way, go to sleep, wrap my hair up or whatever, and then I will come back to you guys to let you know my final thoughts about the product. See y'all in the morning. Hi guys, it's the next morning, so I'm coming with y'all to take my hair down. Use this to take my hair looks like, guys. It came out super good. I would definitely rate this gel a solid 10 out of 10. If you haven't tried it, you should. I'm definitely gonna go try and get more bottles before it's just forever gone. Yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you do get notified when I post. If you want to stalk and stick around, all my social media will be right here, as well as linked down in the bio below. Be a part of the village, be a part of the family, and with all that being said, I will see you guys next time. Bye.